Hello guys, welcome to another video of the DBMS question series. Today we are going to talk about the question set 28. In previous video we have discussed about the question set 27, and in that video we have discussed the count function in the database. So today we are going to talk about the max function in database. Okay, this is our question. In our first question they are asking what is the highest mark obtained in single in all term examinations of all the students of class 11B? So if you do not have any idea about what's going on this question series, just check out my channel and get a simple idea what's going on this video series. Okay, in our question, they are asking the highest mark obtained for singular where the student of class 11B. Okay, now when writing that query, so we have to use the max function here because they are asking the highest mark. Therefore, we need to use the max function here. Here I have used the max function and I have selected the max mark from the student exam mark record. Then here I have inner join the student table, class table to the student exam mark record. Then again I have inner join subject to the student exam mark record because I need to use the conditions they have given. They have given two conditions. The result should be the class 11B and the subject should be single. Therefore, when we need to use the condition, we have to inner join the tables. So in here I have checked whether the class name is 11B and class subject name is singular. When I execute the query, here you can get the maximum mark obtained for the singular subject in the first term. Okay, in our second question, they are asking what is the highest mark of and subject of Sachitra Vikramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects. Okay, again we have to find a highest mark, therefore we have to use the max function here. Here they have given some conditions. The student name should be Sachitra Vikramasinghe and the term should be first term and subject should be all. Okay, when writing that query, as you can see, again I have select the max and I have inner joined all the tables together. Then when writing the condition, I have checked whether the first name of the student Sachitra and the term name is equal to first term. Then when I execute the query, here you can get the marks and the subject name. Here I have select the mark and the subject name. Therefore I have get the result like this. If you do not want the subject name, you can simply delete this and execute. Then you will get only the mark. And again execute the query. Here you can get the subject name and the mark for the subject. Okay, in third question, they are asking find the name and the mark of the student who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term. Okay, now we have to find some details, and here they have given a range between 70 and 90 and the marks should be in mathematics and term should be first term. Therefore, when writing that query, again we have to use the select function here. Here I have again inner join all the tables together. Then in my condition I have checked whether where the subject name is mathematics and term name is first term, and I have checked whether the student exam mark record and the column mark is between 70 and 90. Here I have used the between phrase here to get a range between two values. So when I execute the query, here you can get two results. Here you can see the mark is less than 90 and greater than 70. Now fourth question, find the subject and mark with the highest mark obtained in mathematics and science subjects in Amanda Moses. Okay, now we have to find again a highest mark, but in here we have to get the highest mark from a different subject. So again I have written the same query in previous questions. Like here, as you can see, I have inner joined tables together. In my condition, I have checked whether these 2 subjects. Here you can see I have checked their subject name in mathematics and science, and the term name is first term, and the first name of the student is Aman. Here I have used this in phrase here to sort out between two values. So when I execute the query, here you can get the values for the two subjects. Okay, in my last question they are asking Madara Vanasekara find the highest mark in mathematics and science and Sinhala language and literature in the second term examination. Okay, now we have to find the highest mark from 3 subjects. So in here, when writing that query, here I have used the max function here. Then I have select the max mark from the student exam mark record, and here I have select the subject name from the subject table. Then again I have inner join all the tables together using the IDs of their. So when writing the condition where I have checked whether the subject name in mathematics, science and Sinhala and the term name is first term and student of the name is Madara. When I execute the query, here they will get the highest mark from all 3 subjects which I have mentioned here. I have checked mathematics, science and Sinhala. Out of these 3 subjects, she got 67 for science, and it is the highest mark between those 3 subjects. So I have completed the question, therefore this is the end of my video, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch previous videos. And here I have created the database of this question in the question number 20, therefore watch the videos from 20 to get an idea about the questions I have discussed in this video, and don't forget to watch previous videos. So therefore thank you.